Hi everybody, good morning again. My name is Katie. So I will be your trainer for today. So for today class, I will have classes on Google Plus. Okay, Google Plus, the class duration is 1 hour. Thank you again for joining. Before we start, before we start, I will need your help to, okay, before we start, can you ensure that you can use the chat option? If you have any question at all, you may use the chat option, okay, in the Google Meet to ask me any question. And I will also would like to ask you to kindly mute your microphone so that everybody can hear my voice. And also, you can pin my presentation screen so that you will be able to see my screen throughout the session, and also you'll be able to see my demonstration as well. And as you know, I am recording this session for educational purposes. Okay, so for today, what is that we are looking at Google Plus. So this is among the objective. Before I proceed, may I know how many of you are currently using Google Plus? You very not so active, but you are using Google Plus. Can I know if any of you guys are using Google Plus right now? Nope. No one using Google Plus? Okay, so I guess never. Okay. Thank you for your response. So for today, what I'm going to show you is one of the thing is how can you use the search function in Google Plus? Because if you open up Google Plus, on the top there are search Google Plus. Okay, so I'm going to share with you what is this bar for, what is this tab for, and how to post an update. Okay, for Google Plus is a social media platform. So because it's a social media platform, so of course you can post an update about something about yourself, or you can share anything that you want to share in Google Plus. In Google Plus as well, they have communities. Okay, they will have communities. Communities is like a group. Okay, communities in Google Plus is a group that you can join, or you can create one. So you can join a group that you are interested in, and also you can create a group that you can invite someone else to join your group. And how to update your Google Plus account? How can you find people in here? How can you find people in Google Plus? And then how can you interact between people and in Google Plus? So this is the things that we are going to have a look today. So this is how exactly Google Plus looks like. So this is mine. Okay. Okay, so to open up Google Plus, if you can just go to the menu button, you can just go to your menu, and then you will see Google Plus. Okay, you will see this Google Plus. Okay, to have this Google Plus option, you must these features are only available for those who are paid customer. Okay, paid customer is the one that doesn't end with @gmail.com. If you are using your email currently end with @gmail.com, this Google Plus features is no longer available for you. This is only for the consumer that are paid for to use Google product. Okay, for those who are ending at gmail.com or at googlemail.com, you will not see this option Google Plus. This is only for a paid customer. So you just click on the menu and then click on Google Plus. Previously, yes, it was available for everybody. Okay, previously Google Plus, yes, available for everybody, including those who are using at gmail.com, googlemail.com. But then, since the product were not really used by a consumer at Gmail and also googlemail.com, so therefore they have difficulty to maintain it, and then they stop they stop giving that features to a free customer. Okay, so again, if you're using at gmail.com or at googlemail.com, you will not see this, but then try to log in using your other Gmail account, but not ending with a Gmail or Google Mail. Means maybe you can use your company, such as us, Sol's email Katie at Sols247. If you notice at the end, it's not Gmail. Okay, and then means since my company purchased the domain, so therefore we have this Google Plus. Okay, so for those who you can try it out to see if you have the option or not. Again, if you are from educational, so your let's say you are MOE, you can try it out because yours is not at gmail.com. Okay, so just go to the menu button and you will see Google Plus. Or you can also use your phone again, but then you need to log in. Just ensure that the email address that you use is not at gmail.com, because this product is not available for a gmail.com customer. It's since last year. Okay, they only stop to give access to a free user since last year. Okay, so this is Google Plus. How can you use the search features in Google Plus? So again, this is how my Google Plus looks like. Okay, so this is how my Google Plus looks like. Once I click on the menu here, click on Google Plus, so they will open up a new tab, which is Google Plus tab. So this will be it. Okay, this will be my Google Plus. Here, the thing that I'm seeing is from my the person that I follows. Okay, the person that I am following. So they share something. So then I can see their posts. And also, if you notice here, GEG Malaysia. So it's a group. So this post is from this group. Okay, a person posts something into the group, so I will be able to see the post as well. So what is about the search function in Google Plus? Okay, the concept is the same as the search function in your Gmail. So if you go to your Gmail, sometimes you are looking for your colleague email, right? The one that's sent by her or by him to you. So actually, it's the same with Google Plus because it's another Google product. So you can just simply search for your friend just by key in their email address or key in their name, example. Or the one that you want to search is more, let's say, is more complicated. Okay, let's say the one that you are searching for is more complicated. So you can click on the drop down. You can click on the drop down, and from there you can just use it as the same again as the Gmail. If you are familiar with the searching function in Gmail, you can use that as the word. What kind of word that are you looking for in the post? Okay, from who? Again, it's the same with Gmail. Who's the one who posted? Okay, from who? And then you have specific date. Okay, so if you have specific date, it will only search in between the date only. Okay, so is it in the group? Is it in the public post? And then mention, so you need to mention something, and then you can search. Okay, you can search. For example, here I'm searching anything, okay, from anyone, from anytime, in, doesn't matter is it public post or is it from a group. Okay, I'm searching for souls. Okay, let's say here, example here, I'm searching for souls. So I just key in the search box souls, SOLS, and after that I just click on search. Okay, click on search, and then they will give me this. Okay, they will show me the result. They will show me the result. So from the result, I have all. So when I go to all, it include the communities. Remember, the communities will be the group. Okay, group created. So here they shows the name of the group, SoulSmart, how many members. Okay, how many members? So currently they have 1 members, and join. If this option available for you, that means you can request to join the communities. When you click join, that means you can, when this button available for you, means you can request to join the group, the communities. For example, right here, you see private, 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 and the join button is not available for you because this group is private. That means only a person that invited can join the group. Okay, can join the group. So it's private, it's not open for public. That's why you cannot request to join the group. And it will also show you people that you can follow. Okay, anything related. And also you have option to search from posts. Again, if you only want to specify on communities, you can click on the community, so therefore it will only search for a group. And also if you go to people, it will also search only for people. So let's try it out. Okay, let's just close this. Okay, so here just go to your Google Apps menu right here, and then just click on Google Plus. Okay, click on Google Plus. So this is my Google Plus. So you can see I have my friends post here. So the thing we are talking right now is about the search function. So search function, if you want to key in more detail, you may just click on the drop down here to key in more detail about your search. Now I'm searching for souls. Okay, so just search. Okay, search for souls. Okay, as you can see here, so here's communities. Communities again is a group created. It's a group created. So here is the number of people. Currently, this is the name of the community, SoulSmart. Number of people currently in this group is 1 member. If you are allowed to request to join the group, you will have this option, join. If it's private, you cannot request. It's mean private. So the join button will not available for you. Okay, that's communities. Let's just click on here, let's say. Okay, it's private. Okay, it's private. So it will say, sorry, you need an invitation to join this group, this private community. So only invited people can join this group. But then if it's for those, for the group that you are allowed to join, let's go here. So smart, just click on this. Okay, here the join button will available for you. So the join button means you can join the group. We will go deeply about the communities later on. So I will explain more about it. Okay, so that's for communities. If you scroll down, now you are seeing about the people. Okay, you are seeing about the people. So here it will say following, means I am currently following this particular person. Follow means I'm not following, but then I can follow this person. Let's just click on follow. Now I am following this person. Okay, I am following this person. So if you scroll down, so this is post. Okay, this is post. This is post related to the one that they found related to souls. Okay, related to souls. So this is the post. Okay, this is post. All right. So now if you scroll down, it's all the posts that can be found. So another way here is they will show you all communities, people, and also posts. If you want to focus, let's say I only want to focus on posts, click on post right here. So here they will show me all the posts. Okay, all the posts related to SOLS. And then here you can see, you can specify. Okay, here is more like a filter. This is a filter for you. on the top you will see what actually that you want to see from this post, okay, from this result. Let's say I'm going to filter it from people that I follow, from people you follow. Okay, so this is from the people that I follow. Okay, this is the one that shared by them, okay, by the people that I follow, from people you follow. Okay, from just you, this is the one that post by me. Okay, so if they found any post by me that relevant to the topic, which is souls, they will show the result here. Okay, so from everyone, from people you follow, and also only from you. So here you can filter, you can sort your result based on the top result or most recent. So most recent is the latest one. So let's just change most recent. So it's, you know, if you notice the date, this is February 7, this is August 2018. So it will filter, it will sort accordingly. So you have two options for this top result, most recent. You can filter the result based on the from everyone, based on the people you follow, or only from you. Okay, if you look at the communities, so this is the result related to souls as well. The one that you can join will be displayed the join button. Private, you will not see the join option, okay, because it's only for the it's only the person that they invited can join the group. If you are not invited, you cannot request, okay, you will not be even able to request to join the group. So for the people, again, so this is just a result of people that related to Souls 247 that they can found. So this is the people. Following means I'm currently following this person. Follow means I am not yet follows this person. That's why you will see follow button. Now let's go back here. There's a search in Google Plus. Okay, that's only for searching features in Google Plus. Now let's see the other topic. So next, if you notice the button, okay, on the top when you are start typing your search, there's a button on the right side. There's a small button, either for you to include content from outside your domain. Okay, let's see currently the button is not blue. Okay, the button is not blue. That means I am including the result. Okay, I am including the result and everything else outside my domain. That means even though the person who posts the update not using at Source 247, I will still see it. If I make it enable, okay, if I click on it, so it will turn blue. Yeah. If I click on it, it will turn blue. Okay, it will turn blue like this. And then that means it will limit to domain. It will limit to my domain content. That means only Source 247 content will appear on my Google Plus. Okay, only content from my domain, which is at Source 247, will appear on my Google Plus. So for those who are not using at Source 247, the result will not come up. Okay, the post will not come up. So I will only be seeing the post from the people who are using the domain at Source 247. That's for the blue button up there, if you are wondering, beside your search, Google Plus search button. So now we are going to move on to the next step. We can post an update. Okay, we can post an update in our Google Plus. We can post an update. To post an update is easy in Google Plus. So this is what you can do. You can click here. Okay, you can click. So this is your home screen. If you are going to Google Plus, this will be your home screen. To start post an update, you just click here. Okay, you will see your image and then they will say post an update. Okay, post an update. You may click on that post an update. Once you click on it, okay, this box will pop up. Okay, this box will pop up. So here you may attach a document. Okay, you may attach a document. You can attach, you can take images. Okay, like you see the example of the people who post previously. It was a video, it was a photo. Okay, and then as well you can create sorry, you can attach from directly from your Google Drive as well. Okay, you can create a poll if you want to. So once you type something, and then you can just click on post. Click on post. Okay, here choose people to share with. There's like a blue button here. Okay, let's just go back. So here you have choose people to share with. If you click on that, they will give you option. Okay, they will give you option. Either you want to share with the entire organization. Again, it's not organization, it's more like a domain. So currently my domain is at souls247. When I said organization, it's mean the entire people who are using our email address, which is n@souls247. Okay, so share with souls247.org means everybody with the same domain with me, which is n with souls247, will be able to see my post. Okay, will be able to see my post. So then choose people to share with. So currently you only have two options. Okay, currently you only have two options. Either to share with the organization. Again, the organization that I'm referring to will be the user with the same domain. Okay, anyone with the souls247 at souls247.org. Okay, the email address end with souls247.org. And the second one, only for you. So means it's private. It's only for you. The post will be only be seen by you. Currently, there's only two options. Either to share with the people with the same domain, or only for you. Okay, only for you. Currently there's only two options for that. If you click on the three dot, okay, on the right side, if you click on it, you have option. Okay, you have option either to disable comment. So means after you post the image or you post the document, people will not be able to comment. Okay, we will touch the comment part as well at the towards the end of our discussion today. Disable reshare. I will also show you how to reshare later on. So this is if you click, if you disable reshare means people cannot reshare your post. And then that's it. Now we are going to talk about the communities. That's about posting. So let's try to post something now. I just go back to home. Okay, post an update. So actually there's two ways to post an update. The first one, if you go to your home, okay, go to home. So here you have post an update. Okay, post an update, you click on it. You can just, let's say I'm typing souls247 introduction to Google Plus. Okay, so this is the things that I'm going to post. Okay, this is the thing that I'm going to post. So here you can choose people to share with. Okay, visible within souls247. This means only people at souls247 can see this. If I click on this one, okay, if I can click on this one, so then it will not be visible to the people in souls247. Okay, let's go here. So here you have disable comment, disable reshare. So disable comments means later on when you post this, people cannot comment on your post. Disable reshare, people cannot reshare your post. So here you have add photos. Okay, you can upload photos. Here you can add link. Okay, here is the attachment. It's here is this attachment from your Google Drive, and also you can create a poll. Okay, you can create a poll. Choose one and choice two. Just say yes. Let's go with this, and no. maybe done. So I'm creating a poll for this one. So this is a yes, no, maybe. So again, this is the choose people you are sharing it with. Okay, so if you noticing add comment and also reshare. So this is from a person post. So this button will not available when you disable add comment, and this button is for reshare. This button as well will not available. So other way from you to click here is by clicking on this red button on the bottom. It's like a pencil. Okay, like a pencil. So this is the same with this, the function is the same. So you can either click on the red pencil or you can click there. Okay, and then you can start typing your update. So now next topic, we are going to have a look at the communities. Okay, again, communities is a group of people. Okay, there's two options for the, currently there's two options for the communities. Okay, either it's going to be private or is it going to be private means invited only on only those you are only those you invite to join the group will be able to be in the group to see all the posts. Okay, so if you go to communities, you will see the group that you are joined. Okay, currently the group that you are in. If you click on the communities, so if you already joined a plenty of groups, so you will see all the group. So for example here, I currently have two groups. Okay, I'm currently joining GEG Malaysia and GEG Putrajaya, so that's why I only seen this group. So as you can see, this is the status of the group, which is private. Only those who are invited to the group will be able to see the post in the group. Okay, private. If you click on Discover More, it will search for the communities that created by the same domain. Again, domains I'm referring to at soul7.org. That's for me. It follows your domain. Let's say currently I'm using my email address katie@soulstuff7.org, and you have your own domain. Let's say your domain will be food.org. So it will be katie@food.org. So only the people, so you will see the result from the people who created from food.org. Okay, it's only for particularly from your domain. So if you click on if you click on Discover More, is it only from the people with the same domain? So you will not see, let's say you're using the food.org. So if I click on Discover More, I will not be able to see soul247.org people communities. Okay, it's only specific for your domain and not others. So this is example of the group that I joined, okay, which is GEG Malaysia. So as you can see here, this button, if you are not a member, you will see it will become join. Okay, if you remember previously, I haven't, there's a group available for me. So this button will show me join. If it's private, there will be no button at all. So if you're currently a member to a group, this button will become like this, member. So on the top here, you will see how many members are currently on the group. If you click on this, okay, 510 members, if you click on that, you will see the list of member, the list of people, which is 510. Okay, if you click on up here, 510 members, you will see the list of people currently in this group. And this is the type of group, either is private or public. Again, private is only those who are invited. If you click on member, that means you are leaving the group. Okay, to leave the group, you click here, go in, click on member. Okay, then it will prompt you, are you want to stay or leave the group? Okay. So now this is again, like I said, this is the communities that available for me that I didn't join. The button will be like this, join. Okay, join. That means I am not a member to this. Okay, so the button available for me to join. So once I click join, I will be able to join the group. You can as well create your own communities. Okay, you as well can create your own communities. You can create your own group. So once you click on the new community, so they will ask you what is the name of the community. Okay, what is the name of the community, and then restrict to. So again, it's very focused on your domain. Again, my domain will be souls247.org. So I restrict to souls247.org, means only people with the same domain, which is souls247.org, will be able to join my group. And then open within souls247. So I open this group to everybody in my organization. Okay, this option will let me to open these communities to everybody in my organization. And then I can have this ask to join. Ask to join. So if I disable this, okay, currently I am not enable this, means that they don't have my permission. Once they click join, they are in, they are joining the communities. If I enable this, means when they click join, they need to wait for my approval before they can join the group. So it will become pending. So if you want everybody, once they click join, will be able to join the group. So you just leave it like this. Now we're going to try out the communities part. So this is communities. So this is the group that I already joined. So let's go here. Okay. So this is a group that I joined. Okay. So I can share something to my group as well. Okay. I can share something to my group as well. So it's the same as the post and update. It's the same concept. You have photos, link, polls, and also you can attach document from your drive. So it's the same as well. The pencil will be available for you, just the green color instead of red. Okay, for you to post it. Here, currently your status. So your status is a member. So it will show you a member. Just click on that. Okay, once you click, like I said, that means once you click on this, is for you to leave the group. Okay, to leave the group, and it will prompt to you when you leave. Since this is private, okay, this is private, you need to be re-invite if you want to rejoin. Again, for the private communities, it's only special. It's only for those they invited may join and see the post. So now I'm just going to choose with stay. So if you want to leave, you can click on leave. So now I'm going to stay. Sorry, stay. So here, if you see the total members, you click, you can see all the members. Okay, you can see all the members. Here, it will be the community's status. Is it private or public? Currently, is private. So that is for existing group. So if you click on discover more, so you will see the group that created by those with the same domain, which is at Souls247. Currently, I have two. Let's go here. So now the status again is not private, it's visible within Souls247. So whoever using the same domain will be able to find this group. So currently I have one member in this. So this is the member. So this is the status of the member. She is the owner of this group. So let's go with join. Okay, if you remember for the join, ask to join, and then either for you to disable and enable. As you can see, she disabled it. So once I click join, I'm immediately become the members of this group. Okay, once I click on join button, I'm immediately become the members of this group. If she enable us to join, then they will send her a request to join the group. She need to approve, then only I will be able to join the group. So now that's for group. Okay, wait, let me just go back to the communities. Okay, so now the same thing, you can post something here. Okay, If you remember, there's also a private, okay, remember there's also a private status here. Only invited people can join the group. So how can you invite? So to know if you have the power to not everybody may invite the person. So if you want to invite, so here you will see like a plus button. Okay, this is to invite people to join the private group. So if you are the one who create the private group and you want to invite selected people, just click on invite people. Okay, and then look for the people. Okay, Trista will be the person that I want to invite. Okay, so go to next. So she will receive the invitation. So it's become like this. Add invitation message and then you can just post. Okay, you can just post it. Then Ista will just go into this group and then once she click join, only she will become the member of this group. Going to discard this. So now we are going to create our own communities. Okay, so click here to create our own communities. So name this community. So I'm just going to go with demo. So restrict to souls 247. Okay, so it is only for people from our domain. Visible to anyone. So if you go to the drop down, okay, you have two options: visible to everybody with the souls 247 domain, or you make it private. So again, even though it's the same domain, is the only the person that you invite can view the communities. So let's just go with open. Here, ask to join. Remember when I said, once I click join, I immediately become the member of the group because she disabled it. If I enable this, if you request to join my group, I need to approve before you become the member of the group. So let's say, that's it, I'm done, click done. So here is the communities that I just created. Okay, so now we're going to move to the next one, which is you can edit your Google Plus profile. But to be honest, there's nothing much you can do in the Google Plus profile right now. So this is how your Google Plus profile looks like. If you click on edit profile, okay, this is how your Google Plus profile looks like. So here will be your name. Okay, here will be your name. Here will be your nickname. Here will be the numbers of your followers. So currently I have 2 followers only. So here's this is the number of followers. If I click on edit profile, you may also create a new post straight from your profile. Again, you are looking for the same pencil to post an update. So the pencil also available in your, if you go to profile, you may click on it. Okay, now once you click on edit a profile, so this thing will come up. Okay, this thing will come up. So here, customize your profile. Like I said, I'm sorry for now, there's nothing much you can do. The only option is here, either you want to show your communities or not in your profile. Okay, either you want to show your community or not in your profiles. So if you go to about, if you click on about, that's for edit profile, only this one. Okay, if you click on edit profile, the option only this, either you want to show your communities or not. If you click on about, there will open up a new tab. It's about you. Okay, about me. So this information will be shown as your profile. When someone goes into your Google Plus account, so this is what they will see. Okay, I will also demo to you later on about this. So basic info, so here will be your name, your profiles, and then your genders, and so on. Now let's go, go here, profile. Okay, so there's an edit profile. Like I said, either you want to show your communities or not. Okay, either you want to show it or you disable it. Let's go with save. Reload. Okay, nothing shown here. Okay, if I go with edit profiles, show all, save, reload. So only for this part, okay? Only for the communities part. If you want to post an update straight from here, click here on the pencil. You can post an update. Okay, if you go about, you will open up a new tab. So this is about, this is your information that will be seen by the people. Okay, that will be seen by the people who try to look for your profile. Just close this. Okay, let's go with an example. Okay, let's go here. Okay, remember what you see in about. So when someone click on about, so remember all the data, your names, your email address, okay? So that is what other will be able to see, okay? So above. So here, email address, your gender, so your profile, okay? So this is it. This is what people can see once you click about them. They can see your gender, they can see your email address. And then if you have a post, they will see the post as well. So here it's become following because I'm currently following her. So that's why it shows following right here. So let's go to someone's that okay. So that's a profile. So whatever you written down in above. So again, like I said, it will be shown to the people who try to see your profile. As you can see here, there's a visible only to you. Okay, so you can control as well what does other can view and not view. So here, there's are three options. Only you, your organization, or anyone. Okay, so you can control who can view what. So for my birthday, only me. Okay, if I choose your organizations, means those with the domain souls247 will be able to know my birthday. Let's go back. So my name as well, you can change here what names and then nicknames and then display name as what you want your name to be displayed as. So this is the options. So here you can always control, okay, there's only you, organization, or anyone. So this is whatever is displayed when someone click about, okay. So now that is for profile. The next topic we The next topic we are going to have a look is find people and what is the circle about. As you can see in the beginning, I show you a video. They are talking about circle. Okay. As of May 2019, which is last year. Okay. Um, the circle features is no longer available, but still I will explain to you what does this circle features about. Okay. Like you seen in the video, that's a very beginning when the product was introduced to others. It's like 8 years ago videos. Okay, they explain to you about the circle. What is the circle? Okay, but since May last year, 2019, you are no longer be able to control this circle. But I'm still, for those who are curious, I will explain to you what is this circle about. Okay. So, this is the list of people, as you can see here. This is the list of people that, if you go to people, they will show you a suggestion of people. They will suggest to you people who you should follow. Okay, they will give you suggestion. Okay, if you click on people, there's a three tab. Find people, following, and also followers. So the first step will be find people. They will give you the list of people that will suggest you to follow. So you just click on them. So you just click on them to view the profile, or you just click on follow. So here, if I go to following, they will show you the list of people that you are following. And here, is the circle that I'm talking about. So I will explain to you later on as well what is the circle. Okay, this is circle. As you can see, this is I create the circle long time ago, so it's still there. For now, you no longer be able to create a circle, but you may remove the circle. Okay, you may remove the circle. By removing the circle, it will not affect the person that you are following. Okay, you don't have to worry. It will not affect the people that you are following. It just circle previously when you create a post, you can choose which circle can view this post. Okay, which circle can view this post. So that's why they have this circle features. But now they no longer have this option. You no longer have the option only to post it and only to enable it to souls. So everybody who you are followers will be able to see the post. So that's for circle. So previously it's only you have option. Okay, only my friend can view my post. Only my souls 2.7 people can view my post. So that's why we have circle, and you can set one person to be in multiple circle. Let's say Shaista, she can be part of my fan circle, she can be part of my souls 2.7 circle, and she can be part of my Google circle as well. So here example, here in my Soul Silver 7 circle, okay, I click on it. This is the list of people in my circle, in my Soul Silver 7 circle. So this is the list of people inside my Soul Silver 7 circle. However, like I mentioned to you, currently there is no longer circle features. It's still there here, but then you cannot edit it, but you can delete. Okay, you can delete the circle, but it will not affect your friend list. They will always be there. Okay, it will not affect your friend list. So now let me just bring you and show you what is the circle about. So if you go to people, okay, people, so find people. So this is the list of people that suggest me to follow. Let's go with Jaren. Okay, so this is again the profile about this person. Okay, this is the profile about this person. You can, again, you can control what does everybody can see, what does they cannot see. You are the one who control it. You can have option to follow. Let's just go with this person. I just follow. So now I'm following her. If you go to following, so here should be the list of people you are following. Okay, they will show you list of people you are following. And then your circle. Okay, for now, you only have option either to delete the circle. Again, don't worry, your friend will be there if you decide to delete the circle. So since this is created earlier before, okay, way earlier than this. So I have this circle, Soul 247. So I have these people in my circle. So whenever I post something and I choose Soul 247, whenever I post and then I choose the circle, Soul 247, so means only these people can view my post. That is circle about. If I go to followers, so this is they will show you the list of people that currently following you. Okay, followers will show you the list of people who are currently following you. Next up, how about interaction in Google Plus? Okay, remember I told you about sharing, about commenting. So that's about the interaction in Google Plus. So in Google Plus, if you like what you see, they call it at +1. Okay, +1. So you will see this button a lot in Google Plus. So means like. Okay, this +1 button means represent like. Okay, if you're happy whatever you are seeing, so you may click on the +1. So that will give a like to that post. Okay, that's represent like to that post. So you just click on that to give it a like. If you want to add comment, so like when you post something, you can disable these features. If you don't want people to comment, you can disable this by click at the comment. Just click on it, and then you can start typing. And also you may, And then once you start typing, you just post. Okay, you can add a link or you can reply by using an image as well. Share. Okay, remember you also can disable these features if you don't want people to share it, to reshare it. So here, if you wish to share, you just click on this. You will see this icon beside the plus one. Click on it, and then it will reshare. Okay, originally post by whom. Okay, they will mention that when you share it. So you just add your thought. Okay, and then you just click on post. Sorry. Here, let's just demo. Home. Let's say I like this. Okay, so I just click on this button plus. Okay, just okay. So now you're already plus one, so the button will turn red, and here it will be the numbered count. If let's say 10 people like, that's this part will show you 10. Okay, here is to reshare. So you just add your thought and then you just post. So now that's about our Google Plus. So if you don't like this button to be there, you can always enable it by just clicking here. Wait, I have a question. If you only can know the numbers, Miss Kate, if you be able to view, okay, if you be able to view, yes, you will. If you be able to view, that means yes, you can like this. Okay, you can like this. You can see the numbers, the total numbers. Okay, you can see the total numbers. The total numbers is public. Okay, the total numbers of like is public. The total numbers of like is public. It just comment you can disable and also share. But the plus one, the like features, it's public, so everybody can see it. So now, like I mentioned to you, so Google Plus as well is not available for those who are using at gmail.com. And if you wish not to use Google Plus anymore, okay, if you wish not to use Google Plus anymore, let's say go to settings. Okay, go to setting. So here there's a there's a plenty of thing you can control. Okay, let's say you have once you check, you say, oh, you have plenty of stuff. Okay, you have plenty of stuff, but you no longer yet want to delete your account. Here, who can send you notification? Okay, so here you have option. Soul 247, anyone, your circle, extended circle, only you. Notification means, let's say if you receive a new post, someone create a new post in your communities, so they will send you notification. So you can control. The notification can come from anyone. Okay, if you go to notification center, it will be empty for now. So here, if someone comment on your photo, if someone like your photo, if someone shared your status, everything will be displayed here. And then you can control the notification from whom only they will inform you here. Okay, who can send you notification, who can comment on your public post, you can as well control from the same domain, anyone, circle again, extended circle, or only you, who can see your plus ones on activity. Okay, so only you, anyone, or souls. So here as well you have control control about your videos, about your photos, control about your profile, control about your stream. Again, this is the notification part. Okay, notification part and privacy. If you scroll down to the bottom, here you will see delete your Google Plus profile. Here you will see delete your Google Plus profile. Of course, if you no longer wish to use your Google Plus account, once you delete your profile, all your posts, all your images will be deleted from the system. Okay, all your posts, all your images, everything that you shared, okay, will be deleted. So you may just delete your Google Plus profile So means you are no longer have Google Plus account. This is how you to delete. Go to settings, scroll down to the very bottom until you see the account part. So you can delete your Google Plus profile. Okay, that's your Google Plus profile. Any questions? Okay, let's just do this. Wait, yep. Wait. Let me just open up my profile. Okay. So if after you share something, you may also delete your post, edit your post. And also, let's say you accidentally post it, but then you decide to disable comment or disable reshare, you can always do that. Just look for that particular post. Okay. So this is currently this post is public. So okay. So I wish to disable comment. So let me just click disable comment. Okay, commenting is disabled for this post, so people cannot comment on my post. And then also let's just disable reshare. So if you notice, this button is no longer available. Like I said, this +1 will always be there. Okay, you only have option to disable comment and disable reshare, but then the +1 will always be there. And if you decide to delete the post, you may also delete the post by clicking on delete. So this is the how you share it. Is currently public. I'm looking for any comment, but I don't think I have any comment on mine. But then if you are, let's say if you are not happy with the comment, okay, let's say if you're not happy with the comment, I will suggest you just turn off comments, so automatically all the previous comment will be hide.